This is a step-by-step guide on how to create a Game Pass in Roblox on your mobile device for the game Please Donate. This allows you to receive Robux through donations. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Roblox application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now you need to enter the Please Donate. Now, once you're inside the game, you need to go ahead and claim a booth. For that, tap on the stand or the claim button. And once you have claimed the stand, you need to create a Game Pass. Tap on this more icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you need to scroll down and tap on Create. Find your experience and tap on the three dots beside it. Select Open a New tab, and this will open a new web browser. Now select the three lines in the top right corner again. Scroll down and go to the monetization section and select Passes. Now tap on Create a Pass. Select the image that you want to add to your pass. Also enter the description if you want, and then tap on Create Pass, which is highlighted in blue color. Once done, go ahead and tap on the pass again that you just created. Tap on the three lines from the top left corner of the screen and go to Sales. Now here, simply toggle the option for Item for Sale and set a default price. And then tap on Save Changes, which is highlighted in blue color. Roblox takes a 30% tax, so you'll receive 70% of the entered amount. For example, if you set a price to 10 Robux, you'll receive 7 Robux. So tap on Save Changes and now return to the Please Donate claim stand, and you should now see your donation button with the price you've set. You can repeat these steps to create more donation buttons. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.